Hi, my name's Helen Shaw from the Knitting School in Seattle, and this is the third in a series of different ways to cast on the single bed machine, and this is the figure 8 wrap. And it can seem a little tricky to start off with, but once you've done 2 or 3 wraps, you just figure it out immediately, and it's actually a pretty fast one to do. So now I'm going to show you the double wrap, which is a fun one to do. Let's see if I can remember how to do it. I've got my carriage on the right hand side, which is where my yarn is going to end up. And I want to bring all my needles forward to holding position, and it doesn't matter whether the latches are open or closed. I've got some weight on my yarn, and I'm going to drop it down between the first and second needle on the left hand side, and then I'm going to wrap underneath the first needle and over the second, and then back over the first, trying not to knock the camera over while I do it. So now I'm going to go over the next needle and back over the previous one. Over the next needle and then back over the previous one. I'm just going to work along like that. So it's like a little figure 8. And I'll just leave the last one with one wrap on. I'm going to do this without a comb. You can do it with a comb, but I've got my brushes in, so I'm just going to go ahead and knit across. Bring them forward again. And a couple more times like that. And then put some weight on there. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in machine knitting, please subscribe to my channel and feel free to ask questions, make comments on the feed below. Thank you. Bye-bye.